What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Altcoin Chief, where we talk about crypto and blockchain. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any crypto content for this upcoming bull run. Today we are focusing on a particular side of the layer 1 trend. Layer 1s will definitely have their own run, their own trend, and money will flow into various different layer 1 solutions. And if you've been following me on Twitter, I've mentioned this in a tweet saying that most money will be made by jumping from a chain to a chain based on the TVL and based on the current overall trend within layer 1. So one of those sub trends, we can call it, is eco-friendliness. Eco-friendliness has been in the media. It's a very popular topic worldwide. And because of that, I think we could have a trend within a trend, which is eco-friendly layer 1 solutions. And we're going to be talking about 5 projects which slot into that subtrend. So we'll be talking about projects which at the forefront of their mission have eco-friendliness, and they are all their own native blockchains. So let's start off by talking about the newest one on the block, which is Defi. Defi has been released recently. It's been only a few weeks since they've released, but they've been building Defi for over 6 years now. And their entire mission is more social impact, less footprint, better lives. So that translates into every aspect of their project. Defi itself invests in ESG companies and projects. The vast majority, 90% of all Defi token sales goes towards investing in ESG projects that create measurable and verifiable impact assets: carbon, methane, plastic, etc. So the entire idea behind Defi is to really have that eco-friendliness at the forefront of their mission, but also making sure that this data, everything that they do, is verifiable on chain, because people can talk about eco-friendliness, but often it happens that it's not really verifiable. You can't really put a finger on it, so it's only just guesses and putting random numbers into the sky. Whereas Defi, big mission statement is that they want to make this verifiable. But when it comes to actual blockchains, there are a couple of things that are very crucial. So costs and also speed. In previous bull runs, we've seen that speed has been a bottleneck when it comes to things like Ethereum, but also costs. So as you can see, Defi is capable of 8 million transactions per second, and also the costs of using this blockchain are 1 to 10 millionth costs of an Ethereum blockchain, which means that they tick 2 most important boxes when it comes to mass adoption. When it comes to the actual price, we are currently sitting at $1.40 and fully diluted valuation of around 28 million. As you can see, since the launch, we've been going up steadily, and also the market has helped tremendously for Defi. Their market placement has been really good so far, and we'll be tracking their progress on the channel in the next months and weeks to come. Another project which is exactly in that ecosystem and the price has been doing very well for the past months is Dion. I've talked about Dion on Twitter many times at levels which were very, very low. This was way before the first kind of spikes in price. So really happy that we've covered Dion early on. Again, Dion is a layer 1 solution powering the crypto revolution with creativity and eco-friendliness. Their mission statement is to build a sustainable future with eco-friendly and innovative blockchain technologies. An interesting thing about Dion is innovative off-grid validators for Odyssey, powered by solar energy and Starlink connectivity. Starlink is a product of the infamous Elon Musk, so having that ability really differentiates Dion from other projects within that sector. When it comes to actual partners, there is a wide variety of projects and institutions that support Dion protocol, and that list continues to grow as we speak. When it comes to price, it's just under $40 million, and when it comes to price action, it's been really good in the past weeks. Another project within the eco-friendly sector of layer 1 solutions is Tezos. Tezos is a very well-known blockchain. It has had its run in the past cycle and it kind of starts to pick up again. These guys are an energy efficient algorithm, which again slots into that sub-trend that we've mentioned. But in my opinion, projects which encountered the last bull run and had all the baggage of very high prices compared to today's, will have a bit of a harder time when it comes to breaching those levels. It's not impossible, but it's something to keep in mind. As you can see, Tezos is a 960 million market cap already, and it has been a lot bigger project than this. We've actually covered Tezos when it was around $2 before those spikes on the channel. So if you've been following, you would have seen that video. Again, one of the biggest players in that layer 1 eco-friendly sector. And now onto the biggest, currently the biggest, which is Hedera. Hedera is a blockchain that is eco-friendly and it has sustainability at the forefront of their mission as well. Very low cost per transaction and average kilowatt hours per transaction is also tremendously low, further supporting that eco-friendliness. When it comes to governing council, as you can see, huge players are involved in Hedera. So it will be interesting to see what these guys can do in this bull run. As you can see, things are starting to pick up, similar to Tezos, but I think within that support, with everything that's going on, and the fact that these guys are the biggest player in the eco-friendly zone, I think Hedera could do well. Again, very big market cap so far. You're not going to see 100 plus X here. It's more possible with the likes of Dion or Defi when it comes to huge returns. Also, obviously, the risk is bigger, but then the reward can also be a lot bigger than with the big guys. So these are 4 projects within the sub-trend of eco-friendliness when it comes to blockchains, which could have its run. And let's see if that run comes, and let's see if these guys perform as they should be. Everything that's on this channel is not financial advice. It's only things that I'm doing with my money. Make sure you do your own research before putting any money into the crypto space. It's very risky. This is it for today, and I will see you in the next one.